Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Reality Pals. Please support and subscribe to the channel. कल का दिन बहुत सारे ड्रामे से भरा था। केविन एंड कैट दोनों एक बार लाइव आकर अपने अपने साइड की स्टोरी बता रहे थे ब्रेकअप्स की। इट काइंड ऑफ टुक इनटू अ फाइट बाद में इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज पे। अनुष्का मित्रा का भी काफ़ी मेंशन हुआ। लेट्स गेट इनटू ऑल ऑफ दिस। पहले केविन लाइव आए एंड ही शेयर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। आई वोंट गेट इन टू एवरीथिंग बट बताऊँगी कुछ चीज़ें। आप लोग लाइव सेशन देख सकते हैं, काफ़ी जगह अपलोडेड है। केविन सेड दैट कैट इज़ नॉट एग्जैक्टली द पर्सन हु शी सीम्स टू बी. She wants to pull me down and is indirectly accusing me that I have cheated. I haven't cheated ever. I've done that in my past when I was 18 years old, but I've learned from it. What Anushka and I had was way back in the past. I had nothing with Arushi. She was dating someone else outside while we were in the show. I felt for Kat and I wanted to be in a relationship then. But she said she was not looking for it. She kind of had someone outside. How can you come into Splitsvilla if you have someone outside? I aren't supposed to have you aren't supposed to have that. I said okay. We'll see that after the show. We were together in the show for the sake of the show. After Splitsvilla got over, I saw a side of her that I didn't see earlier. When we went to Goa and Andaman, she was working throughout, taking pictures, making reels, called her photographer friends, and I'm not used to that. That's not me. She was forcing me to work. When I went to US, she went to Goa and was with Jigger. And she's also dating Luke. I never went through her calls. Kevin also talked about Gary, that Gary has been friends with him throughout, but after the latest episode suddenly behaving like brothers turned foes. I regret my decision of dumping you, but you did nothing in the show. You never liked your connection and did the three goals and tug of war. Only these things you did. Kat also came live. She shared her side of the story that Kevin was in love with me in 2 days. I'm scared of these kind of guys. I was not looking for a relationship but a travel buddy. Still I tried with him. I never cheated on him. I wasn't dating somebody. Jigar is one of my closest friend whom I knew for 8 years, and I know Luke for a long time. Kevin was very possessive. Used to go through my phone, had problems with all of my guy friends. He was also in contact with Anushka throughout. Anushka didn't want to be friends with him. He used to talk shit about Anushka, said she used to beat him and she is drug addict. I wanted to mend things with Kevin even after breakup, but he didn't text or call me. I asked how he used to keep his relationship for 10 years with Anushka if you don't call or reply texts. He said we used to break up when I used to go outside India and she used to go out with guys, and when I came back, we used to get back together. I don't even consider Kevin my ex. I have worked since I was 16 years. I wanted good for you, so I wanted you to work. इतना सारा कुछ बोलने के बाद स्टोरीज पे काफ़ी कुछ फाइट हुई। अदिति ने भी स्टोरी डाल के क्लैरिफाई किया दैट वो इसकी बारे में कुछ दिन पहले बोल रही थी एंड उनको कितना हेट मिला था। एंड पलक एंड निखिल जेन्युइनली लव्ड ईच अदर इन द शो एंड आउटसाइड द शो, बट अभी कुछ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स हो गई है। केविन ने एक स्टोरी अपडेट किया अबाउट अनुष्का दैट to everybody asking, no, Anushka and I are not back together. I just wanted to apologize cause she is involved in this shit because Kat doesn't have anything to say against me, so she is trying to bring up whatever Anushka said about me previously to make me look like the cheater. However, tomorrow I'll end this drama once and for all. Watch the live at 4 p.m. फिर केविन ने एक पोस्ट भी डाला विद ओल्ड पिक्चर विद अनुष्का एंड कैप्शन ने काफ़ी कुछ एक्सप्लेन किया अबाउट अनुष्का. Anushka and I got way back together. Kat said a lot of shit about her. That's not true. She was never a bad company for me. We were just bad together. I made mistakes and she made mistakes too. But she always pushed me to do better, and she never pulled me down or forced me to do stuff I don't want to do. Whatever personal problems we had wasn't for the whole world to see. However, the entire city knew about us ever since we were kids, even before we were famous. But only a few people know what our life was like, how it changed. I've called our relationship toxic because it was, but she was never bad for me. I'll always be grateful for this girl. If it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be who I am today. Our relationship was toxic, but she was never the toxic one. If it wasn't for Anushka, I wouldn't even be an MMA fighter. She was the one that supported me throughout. If you didn't know, now you know. I spoke shit about her before, yes, cause I react that way even when I get emotional. Even in the life today, I unintentionally said things about Kat that I shouldn't have. But then that's who I am. I'm sorry, not to Kat but to Anushka for being involved in this shit because of me. केविन ने कैट का पिक जिगर के साथ डाला स्टोरी पे एंड लिखा बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स दे आर बट देन शी डजंट इवन विश हिम ऑन हिज बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे जिगर राजनी आई विश यू फ्रॉम योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड साइड एक और स्टोरी पे हाउ अबाउट 2019 जिगर हैप्पी फकिंग बर्थडे होमी हैव अ ब्लास्ट इस स्टोरी में हाउ अबाउट 2021 she says the only reason she hit up Jigar Rajani was cause she wanted him to find her a place or something, right? Kat is on her phone 24/7 with one call she can get any place in Goa for free. All she got to do is to promote the place. You think she needs someone to help her find a place? The only reason in this screenshot it looks like she didn't meet him is cause I started doubting her then. So she actually stopped meeting him after a point, but just they did meet. She posted pictures drinking with him every night of his tattoos, his hands, lol. If you guys follow the Kevin show on YouTube, you will know that Kat doesn't even drink that much. Next story में call history का screenshot डाला केविन ने. I called her and I called her like two adults, but then she loves these games. कैट ने केविन को ब्लॉक कर दिया है. केविन ने नेक्स्ट स्टोरी लिखा बेस्टीज फॉर लाइफ केविन इज क्रेजी केविन इज टॉक्सिक ही डाउट्स मी विथ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड विश योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड यू स्टिल हैवंट विश्ड हिम जिगर राजनी हैप्पी बर्थडे होमी केविन वॉज टॉन्टिंग कैट. कैट ने भी स्टोरीज डाली. कैट ने चैट्स भी शेयर किया विद अनुष्का जिसमें काफ़ी कुछ बातें हैं. इफ़ आपको सारे चैट्स देखने हैं तो इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में आपको मिल जाएंगे. प्लीज़ चेक दैट. अनुष्का वॉज टॉकिंग फ्रॉम केविन साइड. कैट ने स्टोरी अपडेट किया hinting that Kat and Anushka are back together. A while ago, these idiots were talking about exposing each other, and now cause they are back together, suddenly I'm the bitch. The only difference between you and me, honey, is that when I was with him, I would stop him from talking shit about you publicly and look at you. Didn't want to do this at all. But you have started all this bullshit and threatening me like I give a shit. No point being a nice person for those who cross a line. Kat ने केविन का रिप्लाई किया apart from 2016 a post from 2016 makes me a cheater. Lol, come up with something interesting. Oops, sorry, I forgot. You can't cause it's all your imaginary bullshit. Kat ने chats भी शेयर किए trying to show lies of Kevin. ये सब देख लीजिए, रीड कर लीजिए. The only reason we started having problems cause he was constantly texting his ex while he was dating me, and now he's making it look like he broke up with me cause I cheated on him. Haha, what a joke. Kevin ने भी clarify किया he didn't cheat, checked her phone. केविन ने बोला टू स्टॉप पोस्टिंग। ये देख लीजिए स्क्रीनशॉट। कैट ने रिप्लाई किया, पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट प्राइवेसी, लॉल, टेल दिस गाय टू स्टॉप ड्रैगिंग my friends in it, and I've blocked and deleted his number way back, and I'm not wishing my friend is none of your business। कैट ने लास्ट के स्क्रीनशॉट्स पे लिखे, I just wanted to notify a couple of things. I am not trying to play any games here. I'm not wishing to continue this anymore as it's a waste of my time. I know Jigger from my many years as we had been introduced long back during the shoot in the time when we used to model. The pictures that have been shared are during shots and he's one of my closest friend. As for the stay in Goa, I was taking someone's help because I was traveling with family and during the lockdown. Collaborations were not that available out. Adding to this, we were not staying for a day or two but for a month. I also want to state that the reason for our breakup was due to the fact that Kevin had not gotten over his ex and was at many occasions trying to get back together. As you all can see, they are back together and I am having to bear the brunt of allegations. I also wish to keep myself out of this and focus on my work, and so please refrain from any defamation and allegations, as that from a legal point of view does not sit well with me. Beyond this, if anyone wants to talk of this and gain publicity, they are welcome, but this is the last anyone will hear from me about this. अनुष्का ने भी स्टोरीज अपडेट किया, saying was busy making money only to realize some people have been dragging my name in all their lives. Where's my popcorn? And she also posted stories today, Anushka Mitra, that he knows better, works hard for his own money and never had to prove shit to nobody. So excuse me if it's hard to take someone seriously when they act like they know humankind in a month. I have so much to shit on him, but that's the difference. Make money is all I pray for you. It's extremely convenient to make someone seem like the bad guy, especially when you're taking dicks at him. You're seeing someone and you seem happy, so stick to that facade. You wanna put quotes digging at X, making false allegations, and does that speak about your present? But you don't wanna take the burn. You're seeing someone, right? Stick to that. Make some content, rather leave him out of this. I usually don't say shit, but like this, said I stayed shut for too long. But since you wanna take my name and talk, I'll get it. Let's get it done. And for everyone pouring in hate, y'all don't even know 0.001% of the shit that went down. So before you get on these Twitter fingers, listen to what your mom said. Good night. निकी ने भी एक स्टोरी अपडेट किया, saying that gonna come live tomorrow to address certain issues been quite for longer than I even remember, and about time I tell you guys what's have been. शायद निकी कैट एंड केविन से रिलेटेड कुछ बोलेगी या कुछ और, कल पता चलेगा। इस वीडियो में इतना ही। इफ़ आपको हमारा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो डू लाइक, शेयर, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel Reality Pals, and we'll come back with more amazing videos. Bye.